Today, we're diving into the latest developments surrounding the ongoing trade war between the United States and Huawei. If you've been following along, you know that tensions have been escalating, especially in the realm of semiconductor technology. Stick around as we break down the recent events and explore their implications. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things tech. Let's get started. So it seems my predictions regarding Huawei and the USA's trade war are coming to fruition. I've been warning about the ramifications ever since the chip breakthrough, and now it appears the USA is intensifying its efforts to cripple Huawei. Recently, a significant blow was dealt as the US government revoked the licenses of tech giants Intel and Qualcomm, effectively halting your sales of advanced chips to Huawei. The move comes hot on the heels of Huawei's release of the cutting-edge MateBook XPR 2024 in its home market. The US Commerce Department wasted no time in notifying several companies of this decision. What's noteworthy is that these license cancellations came shortly after Huawei unveiled its latest notebook, equipped with the Intel Core Ultra 9 processor boasting substantial AI capabilities and other advanced features. While these chips were covered by existing trade agreements, US lawmakers expressed outrage, insisting that approvals for such high-end technologies be halted immediately. Following the Intel chip debacle, Qualcomm found itself in the crosshairs, with its license for selling chips to Huawei also being revoked. For those unaware, Huawei relied on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 4G chipset for its P60 series globally. With this cancellation, Huawei's access to Qualcomm's 4G chipset is now in jeopardy, posing a significant challenge for the tech giant. Now, some of you might argue that Huawei has the capability to develop its own chips, and while that's true, the immediate impact remains uncertain. We can't overlook the possibility of Huawei facing shortages in its current chipset inventory, potentially hindering its operations. Furthermore, the repercussions extend beyond Huawei, affecting businesses in partnership with the company. The ramifications aren't one-sided either. Intel, for instance, has already begun experiencing decreased demand for its PC chips, leading to a staggering $1 billion lost in stock market value last month. The Biden administration, in contrast to its predecessor, is inclined towards imposing stricter regulations on chip exports to China, further complicating the situation. So what does this mean for both parties involved? Hey folks, what are your thoughts on the USA's chip ban on Huawei? Do you think it's a necessary measure or a detrimental blow to technological progress? Share your opinions in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech news. Until next time, peace out.